out of here, there will be a little cover you can pull up, and you have your emergency access Allen key. And here, upper sunroof, you just pop this cover off gently. And inside we'll see an opening for the motor right there. Then we take this Allen key, and it doesn't fit, so we don't use the smaller one, we use the longer end. And we align it with that motor hole there. There we go. And it's locked in. And then spinning this motor counterclockwise will open our sunroof. The Cayenne hasn't been stripped. The panel here in the center console, there should be a little Allen key here. It's missing, so we found the appropriately sized Allen socket.
Here's what you're actually doing, and here's what actually happens when you remove the overhead console. And be forewarned that the motor does pop out these bits. When we turn the motor manually clockwise, it opens the rear of the sunroof, and counterclockwise actually slides the sunroof back.
And eventually, you will get there. That's how you open the sunroof. On a dilapidated Cayenne. When we're done, don't forget to reinstall your cover, front first.